Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Mani by Me, the maniology box. This is the July box. Yeah, sorry for the little scribbles. Oh my god, it's funny, me and my husband and my kids were like talking at the table, and I had a nail file on the table. This one, because I don't know, I'm just like still trying to organize stuff. And so he put on the box, we were all talking, he was just like doodling, so he like traced it and stuff. Now my son was like, she hasn't opened that yet. So yeah, that's why it's all doodled. But yeah, this is the July box. The June box, I did film me opening it, but I never got to post it. I just did not have time to swatch it and all that. I had so much going on last month, and even this month, just summer, it's hard to record and stuff when the kids are here. And so yeah, I was like, okay, I need to get this one open. I haven't even watched the live. I usually watch all the lives each month when they show everything. I know the theme is like camping or outdoors, but I don't even know, like, I haven't even really looked at anything. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. All right, so let's see. So this is the little card here. It's got little mountains and stuff on it. Super cute.
This is, oh yes, the great outdoors. Take it all in, the grass, the trees, the nail polish. This limited edition summer collection packs you along for a tour through some of the America's national parks. Oh, that's cool. From majestic waterfalls to breathtaking mountains, embark on a nail art journey that rekindles your spirit of adventure.
And we get two polishes. We get Canteen B478 is a dark green stamping polish with gold shimmers. And then we get S'more B479 chocolate brown with shimmering shell finish. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty.
So enjoying s'mores can get a little sticky, so we included a handy souvenir to help out. Our travel size sticky stamper station is the perfect companion for creativity on the go. You'll be prepared to swatch, plan, and tidy up with this handy all-in-one booklet whenever inspiration strikes. Oh, that's cool.
So I'll have to look at that. I guess the free gift is a sticky stamper station. And then this is Bigfoot Crossing. This is cute. It's a design that they did. And it'll show you how to do that design there. All right, feed your soul with your passion. That's cute. I always love the stickers. So of course we have the two stamping plates, the two polishes, and this is the free gift. Every month you get a free gift. It says let's go camping. So yeah, I guess you can kind of plan out what set you're gonna do, write it down, and then you can, I guess, peel it off. And I don't know, it's sticky here. Maybe you can use that to clean your stamper. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this isn't sticky, but this is. So yeah, I think you can wipe your stamper on it. I don't know where my scissors are. My scissors are always disappearing. Somebody's always using them. All right. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, these are pretty. Teal, which is really pretty. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, just a slight little gold shimmer. And then this is the real pretty brown. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. That shimmer, how pretty. And then we take a look at the plate here. This is MXM108. Super cute camping with little s'mores. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's just got a bunch of like the little road signs. That's really cute little camping scene there. Oh my gosh. It's got the national parks. It's got Grand Canyon, Rocky Mountain National Park, Yellowstone, Yosemite. I've been to Yosemite and Grand Canyon. Yeah, Yosemite is gorgeous. Look at these, how cute. It's the little campers, little bears. Oh, how fun. This is so fun. Oh, I love it. All right, so we'll go ahead and get everything ready to swatch and play around and see what we come up with for a little design. Alright, so yeah, I was looking on their Instagram real quick, so you can paint on this. So I just want to see the color. I'm going to do it on the lid too. I like to have it on the lid, but ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Of course, we have to wait for it to dry. And then we'll just look at the brown here. Oh, this brown is so nice. Look at that. How pretty. Alright, so I'll just show you right now and then we'll let it dry. It's hard to see the green one right now. We'll let it dry. I want to do the little s'mores on the lids. Alright, sorry that light. Let me see if I can move it over a little bit. I have to use the sticky base on here so the image will stick, to let that dry. Alright, so I'm going to do the brown one. That is so cute. Oops. That's cute. It looks good on the black too, like shimmery. And then I don't know, I just want to do this one. Oh, that's so cute. It says one campsite at a time. Oh, look at that color, how pretty. Alright, so I'm going to get my practice hand out and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do for just a little demo. I'll be right back. Alright, so I already went ahead and polished the nails. I used Lightborn from Madam Glam, Guardian Angel also from Madam Glam, and then the other two nails I went ahead and used, I used S'more, that brown color, and then Canteen, which came in the box. And then I am going to use my sticky base just so I can apply the stamp, because I did use a matte surface. So it wasn't going to stick if I didn't have the sticky base. Alright, so for the pinky, I'm just going to do this little stamp here. It's like a little wooden sign. It says Camp, Forest, and Lake, like pointing different directions. So I just wanted to do that on this nail, just something simple. So yeah, it's really cute. I like that brown color. It looks really good for that sign. And then I am going to go in with the Velvet Matte from Madam Glam, the top coat. I just thought it looked good matte. Everything looked good. This time I usually love glossy, but this time I just decided everything looked good matte. So for the ring finger, I am going to go in with the Yosemite National Park. And I'm going to be putting that on the ring finger. I can't believe how much detail. It looks so pretty. Alright, this one came out okay, but it's got some of the, it's hard to read the words. For this nail, I want to do kind of like a little camping scene. So I think I'm going to do like the sun, maybe the mountains, and then like a tent, but I want to kind of lay it out like a camping site, so we'll see. I'm going to do the sun first. I'm going to use Maui Gold, this yellow. Alright, so now I'm going to take the color S'more, and I'm going to be doing some mountains right under that sun. Yeah, a little piece didn't stick, so I just went back in, lined it up, and then it stuck again. And then now I'm going to take the green, the canteen that came in the box, and I'm going to be doing some little pine trees just like right by the mountain. And then I was trying to do this little part that had like a little stream and like a bridge. It came out good. I mean, the lines were really thin. I mean, that's just the way it was, but yeah, I think it came out cute. And then that little like rectangle part in the middle is a little bridge. So what I did was I took some of the s'more color and then I just filled it in with a little brush. Just to look like a, like the wooden little bridge. It looks better once I have the matte top coat on it. Right now it looks kind of just like blobby, but once I put the top coat on, the matte top coat, it looked a lot better. And I'm just putting a little tent down. The tent is so cute. I don't know, I just love it. I think it's super cute. So now I'm gonna take this little fire here, and it has like some little marshmallows on a stick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some reverse stamping. I'm gonna do the outline in black. And then I'm just taking, of course, the brown color again, and I'm just going to be filling in where the little pieces of wood are. I'm going to do that brown. Yeah, I really like reverse stamping. I'm starting to really like it. It just adds so much color. So I'm taking this orange and I'm going to be filling in now some part of the flame. And then I'm going to go in and take this red, and then I'm going to finish up the rest of the flame. And so now I'm just taking some white stamping polish and I'm just filling in where the little marshmallows are. And so I'm just lining it up kind of right in front of that tent. It's a little bit bigger than what the tent is, but I mean, I thought it looked like maybe the tent's a little bit behind, the little campfire, but I think it came out so cute. I need to do more reverse stamping. It's so fun and it's so relaxing. So this finger I wasn't recording, but it's just the ones that has, this has different signs from the different national parks. So I just decided to do that. And then of course I'm going to go in and we're going to put the velvet matte top coat. And then I do cure this for 30 seconds. And then this is the little demo here, little set here, and all the products. I absolutely been loving this box. If you're interested, I'll leave the website down below, and it's a great deal, $25 a month, or if you pay, I do mine quarterly, and it costs about $22 something a month. So yeah, I've been really happy with every box so far. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.